Hello everybody, this is Code2J. So you want to create an S3 connection via the Airflow UI by clicking the Add Connection button. Scrolling down the drop-down list. Oops, you found no AWS-related connection type. Or you might be lucky enough to find some Amazon-related type, but the S3 connection type is still missing. Don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to create an S3 connection for AWS S3 or MinIO in the latest Airflow version. Here, I'm running Airflow version 2.3.4 locally with Airflow provided Amazon package 7.2.0 installed. In the DAG file, I'm trying to check the existence of the file data.csv in the MinIO bucket Airflow by the S3 key sensor operator. The file locates in the MinIO open access endpoint with the URL https play.min.io. Everyone can access it using the login credentials MinIO admin for both username and password. Click Login. You can see I have created a bucket named Airflow in which there's a file called data.csv. So I will try to connect the MinIO endpoint by the connection name MinIO S3com. Make sure the Airflow is running properly. Copy the admin password, then go to the Airflow web UI to log in. We can see the DAG with MinIO S3 version 01 shows up. Go to the connection page and click the Add Connection button. In the drop-down menu, we can see the Amazon-related connection types. If you cannot see it, make sure you have the Apache Airflow provider's Amazon package installed using the pip install command. The thing is that the Airflow provider's Amazon package has dropped the S3 connection type since version 6.0.0. Any version above it cannot have the S3 connection type and should use the Amazon Web Service type instead. Let's select it and put MinIO S3com as the connection ID. To connect it to the AWS S3 endpoint, we need AWS Access Key ID and AWS Secret Access Key. To connect it to the MinIO endpoint, we need to give AWS Access Key ID, AWS Secret Access Key, and endpoint URL. Go to the MinIO, click Access Keys, then click Create Access Key. Here, copy the access key and secret key and paste them to the MinIO S3com. The endpoint URL is the root MinIO URL with the port 9000. Now click Save. Start the DAG. Click the task Run and select the log. Here we can see the task failed with the error next signal F. This is due to a bug in the Python package URL lib. If you have the same error, just shut down the Airflow, then start it with the command no proxy equals * Airflow standalone. Then clear the current task run, and it will rerun again. Check the log. Boom! It succeeded in connecting to MinIO with the AWS connection type and censored the key data.csv under the bucket Airflow. That's it. You have learned how to connect to AWS S3 and MinIO in the latest Airflow version. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the like button. Feel free to use the Google form in the description to request video topics. I will talk to you at the next one. Bye-bye.